Codesignal Arcade longest digit prefix. Hello Internet, my name is Joshua and I'll be solving this problem, longest digits prefix, and I'll be giving you the answer. So given a string, output its longest prefix which contains only digits. Easy. Okay, so for example, you have this example, 1, 2, 3, this whole string. It only returns 1, 2, 3 because even though it has that 1 at the end, we only want the prefix and the longest prefix of its digits. Now, so there'll be some scenarios to consider. If there's no numbers, it should return nothing. And if it does have some numbers, even in the center, it still returns nothing because it has to start out with some numbers, not anything else. I think the most appropriate way to solve this is to use regex, actually. Well, one way, actually, I'll just give you a simple way, is you do a for loop, and you could use this one. Starting from the beginning of the string to the end, you do character.isDigit. And if it is a digit, true, you add that to a new string that you would later return. And this character.isDigit will mark when you reach either the end of the string, that means return the whole string. Like, let's just say it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And with this one here, it goes all the way, iterating through a for loop, and you have this whole string right here of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as one string. If it has something interrupting it, character.isDigit will be false when you do a while loop or for loop, and therefore 1, 2 will be returned, but it will be marking A as false. That means you can only return 1, 2 because this condition here would solve it. However, I think there's a better way to solve it. A much more easier way is to do regex, and to do that, here's how to do it. Something cool I can show you guys. Input string. Now this replace all allows you to use regex to find a pattern that you want to replace. So anyways, to do this regex, you have to create a string pattern. In this case, I'm going to create a pattern of is not a digit. This is the marking, I believe, that is for not a digit. Actually, to be safe, I'll do 0 to 9. To make it much more easier to understand, if it's not 0 to 9, oh wait, hold for a second. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Yeah, so we want to ensure that we want to get the part of the string starting with the string that is not in the numbers, and we'll delete everything after that. So it'll be this one. So there has to be at least one character that is not a at least one character that is not a digit, and after that, any characters after that we don't really need. And we could replace it with an empty string. So when you return it, it should be true. Nice. Okay. I think it's worked. Let me submit it one more time. I don't know what the time and space oh, sweet! I don't know what the time and space complexity is of regex, but let's see about this. So let me explain to you. We're using regex, which is like almost like a pattern checker, to see whether we could replace things that are not a digit, parts of the string. Like as soon as we reach the part that's not a digit of the string, we want to delete everything else because it has to be a contiguous string of digits. And let's just say, for example, even if it shows like this A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, this string will handle that even though it is, it's going to start with anything that is not a string, like right here, at least one character. And this dot star means any characters after that, doesn't matter what it is, we'll delete it because, yeah, we'll delete it with this replace all because we want only the parts that start with the digits. So if it's like this, the rest of this will be deleted. Alright guys, I hope this is simple to understand, and if not, please let me know in the comments below. And good luck with your coding interview, coding, coding interview, coding tests, coding exams, coding. Goodbye everybody.